Greetings from Helgarsviken, a beautiful, small, sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea. Today is 7th of July and Kris is once again on the Baltic Sea. And this sand is so soft and nice indeed. Definitely gives Mediterranean vibes, but without the heat that is all over the Mediterranean Sea right now. And I'm feeling blessed also that I'm not over there at 40 plus degrees under shadow. And I'm enjoying the 19 degrees in the cloudy yet depressing weather here in Stockholm, Sweden. The sun is coming, but after Wednesday, and it's going to be also hot again. But this Monday is quite depressing, I would say, and the rain is coming as well, but that won't stop me to continue my streak in the swimming in the sea, in the Baltic Sea. Yes. Since I have started my 30-day journey with SL, the public transport, I have been on the sea every single day despite the weather. This is not the first time I'm here on this beach. I have been 2 times before. Last year when I was here, it was back then 20 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 in the sea. Today it is 19 degrees in the air, and we're gonna find out as well what is the temperature soon, but I'm gonna measure a bit further in to be more relevant actually. But let me show you around this beautiful forest where you can also pick blueberries. I think they are not ready yet, to be fair. They are quite small, but hopefully soon they are coming and we can pick blueberries in the forest and eat. I have picked a few when I was in Torpesa in Björnö last week. So yeah, hopefully they will be soon enough mature to pick. As I have gotten off from the bus at Stavsnäs, that's around 300 meters away from here, and I was taking the stairs up to the forest. I was greeted by an abandoned house, which I don't know who belongs to, but yeah, it's someone's property over here. And apart from the sandy beach, there is even a jetty to go out for a swim in the sea, and it continues then along the coast with some rocky part of the beach as well, where you can enjoy on a nice summer day like this one, but a bit hotter. If would have been nice, but it still looks amazing despite the depressing weather. There was some sun actually earlier today in the morning, but I was too lazy to get up that early. Summer is in full swing. This is what we get also sometimes in summer, and here we can see also some of the ferries from Stavsnäs that go to some of the most beautiful islands here in the Stockholm Archipelago. One of them is Sandhamn that I have been to, but when I was there it was very cold and I don't remember if I have taken a swim. And also from 15th of September until 15th of April you can go for free on those remote boats if you have a 30-day public transport card, and that is what I'm going to do in 2 months time. Oh my god, it's September in 2 months. Summer is almost over. But yeah, okay, let's continue with what we have today and this beautiful beach Helgarsviken, where I'm all alone. Let's check out the temperature first and see what we are dealing with, as I am letting you enjoy the view as well of Helgarsviken. It's been almost a year since I was here, so yeah. And the moment of truth, let's then see. Okay, 15 degrees, so same like last year. It seems like it is almost the same temperature year around here on the open sea. So yeah, then ready, set, and go! That's the sea. That's the beautiful sea. And it's very deep also here. I could have also jumped as well. So on this part of Värmdö at Stavsnäs, there are not so many public beaches, as there are many people that have their houses on the sea. But there is one other beach, Helgarsviken, that's close by, that I have been to several times before. Due to the weather, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go there today. And maybe I'm gonna chill more a bit on this beach and then go in for a swim until it starts to rain. And then I'm gonna catch the bus back to Slusen. It is a 50-minute bus ride from Slusen to get here. From my home it is 46 kilometers. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to cycle here. Well, technically yes, but it will be too much of a long ride to enjoy on the sea as well. Total travel time for me was around 1 hour and 20 minutes door to door, I would say. So with these wonderful views of Helgarsviken and me enjoying in the beautiful Baltic Sea, it's time to wrap up. Thanks so much for watching this beach day 52 on my beach adventures on the 7th of July in Sweden. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!